here we are underneath my bus, basically the same as an RV. It's the E-450 platform. So gonna first drain the transmission fluid there. There's a filter here and a filter inside. So yeah, at least this is a lot easier now. Got the jack stand holding up there. Got the jack and the jack stand up front. So a couple extra points for holding this up for me. Yeah, I think we're going to be pretty good. I stepped on my on the bus just to grab my Pittsburgh creeper. So yeah, looks like maybe, I don't know, 10 millimeter 3/8 something. So I'll grab that in my impact and take them out, and then we'll tighten them up by hand afterward. Just coming out a little dark, still red, but very dark red. So what I did here was more likely to get the transmission fluid in your antifreeze instead of the other way around. Well, first time ever being in a transmission, but there's what she looks like. Grab that little orange ring out of there. It has a metal ring in it, not just nylon. So it looks like in there not too bad. A little bit of dirt here and there. I'll pull her out and see what she looks like. And gasket doesn't seem bad, but I got a new gasket. Came with the filters. Alright, so that's what we're looking at for the inside. I don't know if that's just grime or metal shavings, but I don't have complete light on it, but it's a little gross. Those chunks, I don't know if it's because that drain pan's been sitting there for a while or if that's from in here. Hopefully not a big issue I'm gonna have to worry about later. But don't plan on driving this a whole ton. I'm gonna try and be kind of careful with what I'm doing, so this is where it kind of helps to at least pull out your transmission pan and see what it's gonna look like. Alright, all cleaned and done, but do I want to use this rubber gasket it came with, or the original, which is a rigid gasket? It says comes with a reusable gasket. I'm thinking I'd rather use the nice Ford one instead of some cheap one they throw in with a filter. So probably gonna clean that up really well and then put her back. Just glad we're finally done. Pulled the magnet out, cleaned under that. You want to get all the dirt and debris out that you can, because you don't want to leave anything else in there, because there's going to be some in there anyway. So might as well take advantage and have it as cleaned out as possible. Alright, so here we are. Got a lot of it back together. Got this filter in. Put the filter in up there. I'm going to have to torque that down properly. Get this lifted up. Start tightening those down by hand. And then get a torque wrench and make sure that they're all torqued to spec. I watched a guy, he did 10 foot-pounds of torque. So I gotta get my torque wrench and do that. But yeah, it's kind of nice to finally have this done. Still need to do the radiator, but as long as I'm done with being underneath of this, I'll be happy, because then kind of the dangerous part is over. Stuff that just takes the extra time to do, getting under here. So cool beans. I was able to take that ring out with a flathead screwdriver. I just stuck it on the edge and then just pried it out, and came out super simple. Saw someone use a pick and kind of like a little hook, and that did not look, I can't find mine. They're not here, so that was the second best option, and it worked fine.